Hi Sailors! Next week you will be taking the Procore assessments in English Language Arts and Science. That will be on Monday and Tuesday, September 14th and 15th, and Math and Social Studies on September 16th and 17th. The purpose of these assessments is to give your teachers an accurate idea of what you currently know about the subject already and what you have yet to learn. And in that way, we'll provide your teachers guidance on giving you meaningful assignments and learning throughout this year. And so the purpose of this video tutorial is to show you how to get into Procore. And I'm just in a browser tab, and I'm going to type in pro-core.us, and it'll take you to this screen. You'll notice there are two login options in the upper right hand corner. You are going to select 6.0 Login New Tech Enhanced, and then you are going to use a drop down menu to select Vermilion High School and type in your student ID number, which is also like your lunch number, for example. And then you're going to type in your last name with the first letter capitalized, followed by your capitalized first initial, and select Login. And when you log in, you will go to your Procore dashboard, and you'll notice that under the gray bar, in the gray bar along the top, there are 3 classes here listed for this particular student. I will go to Algebra 2, for example, and I'm going to select the Other Assessments black button on the top left. And then this Form A is a test that I will be taking next week. That is how you get in your Procore assessments. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any issues. My email is jbengele@vermilionschools.org. Thank you.